Going to be changing out this JBL radio in this 2001 Toyota Sequoia, going to an aftermarket Sony. You first start out by taking out these two Phillips right here, and that will remove this whole entire dash bezel here. With those two screws being taken out, that will loosen up this whole dash, and this whole piece will just come off now. The next step is we're going to remove these two 10mm on this side and these two 10mm on this side, and that will pull the radio out. These are the wires you're going to hook up, which is blue and white stripe for the remote turn on for the JBL system, yellow for constant, red for ignition, and black for ground. All the rest of the wires you won't be using. And then these RCAs are going to plug into the back of the head unit right here. That will provide all your power and sound.